We'll be unboxing the Peloton guide today. Let's see what we have in the box. Packaging keeps the product really nice and secure and looks pretty high-end and plush, which is to be expected with Peloton. We've got the remote control along with the batteries. Let me pull this apart. And then we have the stand for the Peloton guide. And we have some HDMI cables. And, oh, look at this. We have quick setup guide and notices. And we have USB cables. And I'm sure this is the block. And we have a USB block. Aha, I did it. Ooh, nice. And there you have it. Remember to stay curious and stay connected.